If you are seeking for your self-improvement in terms of your leadership skill or your management skill so that this will improve your career advancement, or you would like to work with different people so that this will increase your wealth opportunity as well. Especially you are doing the real estate, there will have a more wealth opportunity for you. If you are one of this group, starting from the 5th April until 5th May 2023, you may consider using the west sector of the property. What you can do is check where is the west sector of your home office or your office. After you identify the west sector, so start from the 5th April until 5th May 2023, you can make use in the west sector of the property to do the related action, such as presentation, making a call, replying the email, or doing the networking related. So this will improve your chances to get closer to your success. Hope you learned something new. Should you need a consultation about your work, business, or relationship, feel free to contact me via TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube. I am also going to conduct a live stream workshop on 29 April 2023, which is a Desire Manifestation virtual workshop. The detailed link information is provided under comment below. That's it. Don't forget to follow me for more tips and advice. Thanks for watching.